That's such a short roof.
Hey, David, sit down there and say hi to everybody.
Hi to everybody.
Yeah, man, this is my surviving friend from that I've known since high school, man. Maybe junior high.
Junior high, ninth
Yeah.
grade, FM Black.
Oh, yep. Yeah, man, and yeah, he's the cool dude that hooked me up with the music composition program that I've been using.
You still using that thing?
Yeah, man.
Really? Wow.
I'll have to show you some of the stuff I wrote. Yeah, man, but see, these people really existed, man. I wasn't lying to you. Say good night, Dave.
Good night, Dave.